Hey everyone, this is the overview video for day 2 and 3. So we're going to go into our online distance learning folder here and into Unit 8. So hopefully you have all gone through the overview video for day 1. You've completed the tasks for day 1. If you have not, feel free to go back and do that. Again, there's multiple tries on that assignment, so if you didn't like your score the first time, go back in and do it again. So we're going to be on days 2 and 3. The reason I'm giving you 2 days for this is because there are a few activities in here that are going to take you probably more than a day's worth of work. So day 2 is going to be on April 8th, which is Wednesday, and day 3 is going to be on April 15th, which is next Wednesday, because we have that holiday in between, so we don't have school on Friday and Monday. So if you look in this folder here, so the first thing is this cell cycle. So this is an assignment you're going to open. There is a Google Doc, and you are going to fill in notes on that Google Doc. And when you are done, make sure you submit it to me on Schoology. Okay. The way that you're going to fill this out is you're going to use, you see how this has a 1, 1, and 1. These are all for the same assignment. So you're going to use this interactive website to help fill out the front of this Google Doc, or page 1 of the Google Doc. And you're going to use this video, and you're going to watch the video, and you're going to fill out the back, or the page 2 of that Google Doc. And again, make sure you submit that when you are done. I would suggest doing number 1 on the first day, and then do 2 and 3 on the second day if you want to split it up. If you'd like to do it all on one day, that's completely fine with me. Number 2 is just a cell cycle Kahoot. It's to have you go through the information that you learned in this website, in this video, and to have you review that information and go back into the website in the video if you need to before you go ahead and do this graded assignment down here. So number 3 is this graded assignment. Again, I am giving you multiple opportunities for these assignments here. If you do it the first time and there's a lot that you got wrong, go back and try the Kahoot again, or go back into the website of the video, try it again so that you can get the highest score that you want. Alright, so that is for day 2 and 3. Again, that's going to be for this Wednesday and for next Wednesday.